Union Minister Piyush Goyal has indicated that the first tranche of the agreement with the United States on a trade deal should be finalized by November 2025. Speaking at a news conference in Patna, he said, in February 2025, Prime Minister Narendra Modi and President Trump together instructed us that the ministers of both sides should make a good agreement by November 2025. The first part of that agreement, the first tranche, should be finalized by November 2025, and since March, discussions have been going on this subject very seriously in a very good environment, progress is being made, and with the progress, both sides are satisfied.
फरवरी 2025 में माननीय प्रधानमंत्री नरेंद्र मोदी जी और राष्ट्रपति ट्रंप जी ने मिलकर हमें निर्देश दिया था कि दोनों पक्ष के मंत्री फॉल 2025 यानी नवंबर 2025 तक एक अच्छा करार करें। उस करार का पहला अंश फर्स्ट ट्रैंच नवंबर 2025 तक फाइनल करें और लगभग मार्च से इस विषय पर बड़ी गंभीरता से बड़े अच्छे वातावरण में बातचीत चल रही है, प्रगति हो रही है और प्रगति से दोनों देश संतुष्ट हैं।
Meanwhile, a team of negotiators from the US would visit India by the month end before signing the Bilateral Trade Agreement (BTA) by November. India's main negotiator Rajesh Malhotra is working on different parameters of the trade deal. Goyal had reiterated the same on Wednesday during an event organized by Federation of Indian Chambers of Commerce and Industry, FICCI. He said India is in active discussions with the US as well as New Zealand for potential trade pacts. India already has finalized trade agreements with various countries, including Mauritius, the EFTA bloc, the UK, UAE, and Australia, he said. The second phase of the trade agreement with Australia is expected to be completed soon, while talks are underway with Oman and other nations. Earlier, Trump said India and the US are continuing the trade talks and that he looks forward to speaking with his very dear friend PM Modi. PM Modi also responded to Trump's post and said, India and the US are natural partners and teams from both sides are working to conclude negotiations.